Hey and welcome to Unveiling. In this episode I'm going to show you how you can trade at pocket option with a very high winning strategy. But before I get to that, make sure you sign up with this broker also. You find link below the video, and if you deposit more than $100 you will get 50% in top of that investment. Okay, but that is only if you deposit more than $100 and only by using my link. All is done automatically. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn the bell notification on, because I also are trading live every Monday to Friday, so you can join and trade together with me. Okay, so make sure you do that. Okay, so for this strategy I'm using, I use support and resistance together with trend lines. Trend lines I use so I can filter out some of the bad support and resistance. I will teach you all about that. And also, if you join my live sessions, you will really learn that. And the reason I can say that this is the best strategy is because in my live sessions I have done some tests where I have traded over weeks with other strategies, where I'm comparing, where I'm trading 20 minutes each strategy each day. So I'm sure that I figure out which strategy is the best. And this one is the one that I've done best for me by a mile. The other ones have not been even close to the same type of profits. So now I will show you how I'm trading, and let's take one trade so you can see me take one trade here now. So let's see how we do. So now let's see if we can find ourselves a good trade. We see that this region up here start to look pretty darn good, so I will mark that up around here. We do see, if we take a trend line, let's see if we can mark it here now. I will say something like this: we have some breakouts, but in that way we see now we need to be careful, because he might break to the upside or to the downside. But I'll say within the next minute at least we can take a trade up here. For just to make it more simple to see, we put this one red, as you got to put the red button if you come up there. So, but yes, we're coming to squeeze here now. Let's see if we can just get up there now. That would be nice. I don't think I want to take it on the next, so if you're going to take a trade here now, need to be on this bar. From here I think we're getting too much squeeze. I think we skip. So this bar is the last we will take one trade. Let's see here now. So if you get up the red bar now, I will push down. Let's see. We are close at least. Let's see. The bar is more 20 seconds, so we still can take it on this one. Let's see. Come on now. Get up there. Otherwise, I'll move on. Almost. He did not get up there. I will move on. But here you see, now for example, I will keep to my rule. I will not take a trade now because he gets into a squeeze. Squeeze means he can easily break down as he can break up. So in this case, we just move on. Here, nothing. If you hear a cell phone, it's just someone calling me. I'm not going to bother about that. Here we have a nice line, so let's take that one there. It's very funny, every time I do a video, there are always someone calling me. Super annoying. I forget always to turn this shit off. But okay, let's see here now. If we get down to this green line here, we will take a trade. Here we don't see any trend or nothing, so this is a quite beautiful area. Take a trade. So let's see, I'm ready to go in. Now let's see how this will play out. Come on now, get down there. We are ready. So with this strategy, we basically have a win rate more like 7-8 wins for each 10 trades we do. So it's a quite decent there. We are okay. In this case, I would not have taken a trade because we did break it. But let's see, we can still win this one. Let's see. We just need now to wait. Probably this can be a fake out. Let's see. Yes, come on now, go up. Let's see. Yes, yes, yes. For now looks nice. Also, when I'm trading, typically I just move on and start to look for more trading opportunities. I just don't sit waiting for this one. Like for example up here, for example, I'll make a line, I'll take a trade here. So just because, yes, you can get a losing trade, but it's to keep less losing trades, you know. So because the win rate you will have if you are constant. So let's wait and see here now. If we can shoot up here now, that would be sweet. He did not do that. Did we get a zero trade here now? That's the question. We got a zero trade. So that is pretty nice. That means we can continue. We did not lose anything. We just did go in zero. Now let's see up here. About this region here. Could be nice. Let's make a line up around there. I will take a trade. We can make it red just for make it look nice. Let's see. If we can get up to that line, I'll take it. Let's see. Come on now. Maybe I push a little before. Don't need it to be exactly on the line, I think. Let's see. A little more up. For good measures, would be nice if you could get it up to this line now. Let's see. If you don't get a trade soon, we move on, but I think we should get one. Let's see. This video is getting a little longer than I was planning. That is completely fine. Now let's see. I would like to have myself a $86 profit now. I feel I deserve that now, so let's see if we can get a trade. Little more. Little more. Maybe maybe I should have taken it there. Let's see, zoom in a little more. I would love to have it on the line. And there we go. Cool, I got it on the line. Now let's see how that will play out. That is the second trade. Let's see. We have now going to be in this trade. Let's bring up this thing here. So we have 40 seconds left. You can see that we have been playing in this region for a long time. You see the entry we have no bars even close to that. So you can see the win rate here should be very high. But you see that he's playing around this area, so we will be close to our area. But also you see just one time he did pass this area that we had the trade, so I feel very comfortable with this trade. So that means we will now have made ourselves $86. That is quite sweet. So let's see now. 5, 4, 3, 2, and deep in the money, we got it, $86. So basically just a constant trade on support and resistance line. If you have a possibility to make a trend line, do so you can identify squeeze. That's it. It's that simple. Make sure you sign up. It's not simple, but it is that simple if you just can keep to the rules. So make sure you sign up with this broker. You get 50% extra on your first deposit by using, if you deposit more than $100. Or if you can just want to play with demo account, you can do so also. So have an amazing day, and I hope I see you later on one of my live streams.